Good afternoon, Groomy. Today is Sunday, August the 17th. And all these poor little ladies are thirsty as hell. I need to water them up. God damn, I just cut these things yesterday. Again. They are just rocking. I about got a whole 1 pound bag full of them. 1 gallon bag, I mean. God damn it. Gotta cut some more. Yeah, they's thirsty. I need to water everything up. Water everything up. My damn bell peppers are rocking. I wonder what kind of spidey that is. But yeah, if I gotta water everything up. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it's so goddamn hot out here right now. Don't even have no ants. The ants have been bad. Fucking getting even crawling inside the hummingbird feeder. Goddamn layer of fucking dead ants in my hummingbird feeder. My hummingbirds don't like the damn ants. But I'm going to show you how I deal with those. I got a nifty little trick, and I'm sure you're going to like. I'll be back in a flash. Okie dokie. Got the plants all watered up. I got to get my ass inside. Check out Miss Nasty. She got her a damn caseta. Look at that. Her ass is fat, man. Hey, look. Another damn egg case, and I got 3 of them big bags hanging around here. I'm gonna have to watch out for them son bitches. They're liable to try to eat me. But yeah, she got a caseta. Check this out. Now we're gonna go inside and get them hummingbird feeders ready before I come back out and hook them all up. I can't take this blaring ass sun. Look at that damn caseta shell on my damn cherry tomato plant. God damn it. Yeah, man, I had a goddamn heat stroke. I can take the heat, but that blaring ass sun beating down on me, my body tells me I better get the fuck out or it's gonna shut down on me. Yep, I am going to definitely run me some more pots of this okra. I don't know if you can see down there, but goddamn little peat bags. Can you see the damn peat bag? Gotta move around here. Damn peat bags are on them. 2 of them came up in that one. I just threw these things in here. Shoot, next year I'm gonna space out 4 real nice and run me 3 or 4 of these damn pots. Cause these things are rocking. Watered everybody up. Picked that 1 big squash. Still got 1 yellow one there. All right, inside, work on hummingbird feeders, and I will come back out and put it together. I usually do that shit when they're empty. So I'm gonna have to come back out and get in this goddamn sun. Catch you in a minute. Peace. Okie dokie. We're in here cooling down. I'm doing this a little bit different than what I normally do. I normally just use a borax laundry detergent, powdered laundry detergent. But of course, Dollar General didn't have any when I went there. This will probably even work better, but you know, I like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You know, I use the laundry detergent for my laundry, right? But and I normally use the big Gatorade bottle caps. Of course, I'm going to go buy 4 large Gatorades for this. I climbed in the dumpster at work, and the boys buy cases of the little pint Gatorades. These will work. What we're doing, we're just going to drill a hole, and we're going to arrange it like so. You'll see more when we get outside. One of them acts as a roof, and one of them acts as a cup to hold the borax. And you just space them far enough apart that the ants have to climb inside and get on the borax to get down to the feeder. You'll see when we get outside. I gotta take a fucking break, man. I'm about to melt. I'll see you in a minute. Peace. Okie dokie. This is the hummingbird feeder that I keep over there on that big oak tree that's got the ivy all over it. Piss ants on that one. See that day, I just fueled this thing up day before yesterday evening, and look at all the damn piss ants in there contaminating my goddamn hummingbird food. If you notice, there's no red coloring in there now. I just used that right off the start. They say it's not good for them, the red food coloring. I'll use it, and the Dollar General sells the shit. I'll use it right off the rip, but then I'll just go to regular old simple syrup. This is 4 cups of sugar and 6 waters. It fills the 2 feeders up perfect, so that's what I use. But yeah, I'll go to clear after a while, and they're banging the shit out of the other one over there right now. Let me get this one fixed. I'll kind of stand off to the side here. Maybe you can see a little something, something. Oh, I'm probably blocking hummingbirds. Y'all don't want to look at my ugly ass. First thing I gotta do is cut this whole fucking string off. Don't fear the fisker. Now, I've been doing this for years, so I know that this works. This ain't one of them best way to do it videos and then say this is my first time doing it, right? This works. You can take it to the bank. You want to tighten up it? Fucking slides. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. That's the reason I come back outside. I got y'all over there in the shade. Yeah. I don't want y'all to start dropping like flies on me. Hope you can see me. And I just got that cat full of the boric acid. And this one's to keep the fucking rain and dew and all that from getting it all wet. I'm gonna hang this one up and I'll be back. Big ass carpenter ants over here on this. Fucking bigger ants hang out on this one. I had an American beautyberry over here. I tried killing that goddamn thing for years. They can take a drought. They look like they're fucking dead. And they just get one rain and it ain't even like they fucking were in a drought. I'll show you this other one over here in a minute. It's got a bunch of nice purple berries on it now. I might make some jam this fall. Got so many damn things I want to do. Ain't enough fucking time, hours in the day for the shit I need to do. I'll get these hung up. I'll show you how I set them. Okie dokie. And that is that. Borax, boric acid, whatever you can get your hands on. That will take care of the fucking ants. Suck on him, girl. I'm getting the fuck out of here. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Probably gonna do a live tonight, Grummies. I'm gonna Dr. Zymes, all the ladies tonight. And I've been doing a lot of damn research on shade cloth and stuff. I'm gonna share my findings with you on that tonight, if I remember. I don't write shit down. Okie dokie. I'll see you tonight. I'm out of here. Peace.